snow day. Maybe y'all can see that. Welcome back to another episode, another video, Storm Squad. Go ahead and hit that like, share this video, subscribe. For me being out here in the elements. This is what you get when you come to Texas. You know, coldest state in the world, you know. Boy. I like it. Snow day. I haven't seen snow in the longest, so gotta get the snow off the van so I can get out. Here we are. Here we are, baby. I came to Texas to avoid stuff like this, Storm Squad. And this is where I'm at.
Stormy, no matter the weather.
You don't complain, you just fight through it. Nothing has ever been accomplished by complaining. Here we go. Yay! In this thing. Thank you. Thank you. Currently at what's it called? What's this restaurant called? We are at Teddy B's. There you go. I'm with my nurse right now, and we're getting some food. Well, I'm not. They're getting some food. I ate. You know, I've been on my meal prep wave. This is different. Just vibing. You know the vibe, Storm Squad. I've been snowed in the house. Electricity's been turning on and off. So I don't really know what to do, but yeah, just trying to stay warm. Everybody just trying to stay warm. Luckily, the electricity turned on last night. I was having to sleep in the cold. And I'm talking about, my house was 17 degrees at its lowest point. So I was freezing. I'm talking having to sleep with 3-4 blankets, covering my head with 3-4 blankets. It's been an experience. You know what I mean? I had lost electricity and internet, so had to stay off the internet. I wasn't on social media very much. Follow me on Instagram. Everything's back up now, but it's still snowing, so. Update, we are just leaving therapy. Shout out to my therapist. It's still super cold, but the snow has stopped, so welcome to Texas where the weather is always changing. So yeah, like I said, about to go get my hair cut. Comment down below what you think about the new hair color. It was supposed to be blonde, but turned out brown, but I like it. You know, let me know what I should color it next. And if you're liking it, you know, let me know. Rate me 1 to 10, you know what I'm saying? But if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and smash that like button. And yeah, just continue to follow me throughout the day.
Check me out, 6404 Callahan.
Toughest barber in San Antonio.
Great. Do that.
Best barber in San Antonio, baby. Go ahead and join the Storm Squad if you haven't already by simply clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell to be updated every time I post. Don't be shy. Go ahead and leave a comment. You know, let me know what you want to see more of, what you want to see next. Remember, stay blessed. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next video.
Baby, it's really whatever.